In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert image into an Outlook email. Whether you are adding a logo, a screenshot, or a photo, placing an image directly in the message body makes your email clearer and more engaging. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few quick tips to keep it looking sharp. First, open Outlook. Once it's running, create a new message by selecting New Email on the Home tab. That opens a fresh Compose window. Before you add anything, click inside the message body so your cursor is exactly where you want the picture to appear. This is important because Outlook will insert the image right at that spot. Next, go up to the ribbon at the top, switch to the Insert tab, and choose Pictures. Outlook gives you the option to pull an image from your computer or from an online location. Pick the source that has your file. Browse to the photo you want, select it, and then click Insert. A moment later, you'll see the image drop into the message body in line with your text. If the picture looks too large or too small, you can adjust it without leaving the email. Click the image once to select it, then drag one of the corner handles in or out to resize while keeping the proportions intact. Try to avoid dragging the side handles, since that can stretch the image and make it look distorted. If you need extra space above or below, press Enter to add a blank line and keep your layout tidy. A couple of quick pointers as you do this. High-resolution photos can make your message heavier and slower to send. So if your image is huge, consider using a smaller version before you insert it. Also, placing the cursor first saves you from having to move the image later, especially in longer emails. Finally, keep an eye on how the image looks alongside your text. A clear caption line or a short sentence just before the picture can provide helpful context for your reader. That's it. Thanks for watching.